The Delta Center is located near Highway 99 in Stockton, 50 miles south of Sacramento.
This particular center gives me a roof over my head, 3 meals a day, all the experiences that comes with it.
100 Corps members eat, sleep, and work at the California Conservation Corps Delta Center.
The dorms here are extremely good, very clean too, and it's more comfortable, more relaxed.
Beds are comfortable, the rooms are spacious.
Laundry room comes equipped with 7 washers and dryers.
I like to go into the weight room.
I love the gym. I feel like it's a good stress reliever. I like to be fit.
When not working out, have some fun in the recreation building. Do some light reading in the library.
If you're looking for new experiences, definitely come.
That's it. Everyone understand?
It's a great opportunity, great place.
My experience here is a good experience. It's given me a lot of opportunity.